What I'm going to do next is code my dreidels. I know I've selected the first dreidel because it has an orange perimeter around it, and it's showing in the programming area. I want this dreidel to send a message to the other dreidel when it is tapped. To do this, I'm going to use a yellow event block called Start on Tap. This block tells the program to do something when I tap on the dreidel. Next, I want to send a message to the other dreidel. To do this, I'll use the Send Message block. This block looks like a closed envelope, which represents the idea of sending a letter with the contents sealed inside, so we don't want anyone to see the message until it's received. I'll go to the second dreidel. I'll click on the dreidel on the left side to select it. This dreidel is going to receive the message. I'll use the Start on Message block, which looks like an open envelope and signifies that the message has been received. When the message is received, I want this dreidel to show. To do this, I'll use a purple looks block called Show. I'll control the timing by using an orange control block to make it wait for a moment. I'll use the purple looks block again, but this time I'll select Hide so the dreidel disappears. After it hides, I'll use another orange control block to make it wait before it starts the process all over again. I want this to repeat forever, so I'll add a red end block to keep everything looping. At the same time, I need the first dreidel to also be hiding and showing. I'll make sure the first dreidel is also programmed to receive the message it sent to the second dreidel. We will use a purple looks block to hide. I'll use an orange control block to make the first dreidel wait before it shows up. I'll use another purple looks block to make it show. I'll use an orange control block to make the first dreidel wait. I want this to repeat forever, so I'll add a red end block to keep everything looping. Now it's time to test our code. We can check if everything works by clicking on the sprite. But right now, I can see both dreidels on the stage at the same time. To fix this, I'll click on the dreidel in the back, the second one, and I'll use a purple looks block to hide it in isolation. By pulling out the hide block into the coding area and clicking on it without connecting it to any other code. We're ready to run our code now. I'll click the dreidel and watch it simulate a spin.